Do you feel the vibes?
Porsche has officially ended production of all diesel vehicles in the face of changing consumer demand and upcoming stricter emissions tests. In a move that a Porsche spokesman said mirrors the cultural shift of the brand's customers, the German manufacturer has discontinued its last two diesel models, the Macan S diesel and Panamera 4's diesel, pictured below, just 9 years after its first oil burner hit the market. The call comes after the brand chose not to launch the new version of its Cayenne SUV with a diesel engine. The original Cayenne was the first Porsche to offer diesel power back in 2009. In an official statement, Porsche said that the Macan S diesel, the only such version of the brand's Range Rover dealer rival, has been taken out of the production program as buyer demand moves towards petrol and hybrid versions. The brand revealed that the diesel's removal was also linked to another software update that has been subject to an ongoing consultation with the authorities. While not directly confirming it, this suggests that, like with BMW and its F80 M3, Porsche has decided against re-engineering the Macan S diesel to conform to the new Worldwide Harmonized Light Vehicles Test Procedure (WLTP) standards. Such a move highlights the shrinking demand for the model, which a Porsche UK spokesman said represented a small portion of the SUV's 97,000 global sales from 2017. The Macan is also due to be facelifted in April. The same justification was given for the demise of the Panamera 4's diesel, which was removed from Porsche's ranks during the luxury car's range update at the start of the year. Porsche said the change was linked to falling demand for the variant, which accounted for 15% of the Panamera's 11,000 global sales in 2017. Petrol versions accounted for 35%, while the Panamera 4e hybrid accounted for 50%. An inside source told Autocar that the current lack of diesel cars in its range doesn't mean Porsche has decided to stop all diesel models forever. But Porsche boss Oliver Blume revealed to Autocar last year that diesel is not so important for Porsche, adding that diesel sales made up just 15% of Porsche's total worldwide sales, mostly in Europe. Unlike its petrol engines, Porsche never developed its own diesel power plants, instead sourcing them from elsewhere within the Volkswagen Group. Porsche halted investment in diesel last year, shifting much of its R&D focus to electrification. The results of this electric focus will produce the Mission E next year, while a hybrid version of the 992 Generation 911 is also due in 2019.